What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel guys. I got a really cool surprise for you guys. So I have some lighting mods that I'm going to do to the car, but before I do want to give a big shout out to S550 Parts. They are on Instagram and they have a website which will be located in the link down below. Go ahead and check them out. I won some lighting stuff for the channel on a giveaway. I was super excited and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. And they asked me to do a video for it as well anyway. So let's go ahead and dive down and see what I got. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive down to this neatly wrapped package from S550 Parts. Where is my box opener? IGL, used to mess with them. But let's go ahead and open up this box. Ooh. Cool. So we have some LED side markers for the Mustang. I will do a install on them in like a few seconds, but yeah, these are LEDs. Direct plug and play. All you have to do is connect the little connector in here, which I'll show you guys how to do, and it's real simple. So let's go ahead and get these bad boys installed. Okay guys, so let's go into the car and see what we have to unclip and everything like that. So right here, if you look right there is the side marking. So there's two clips. It's right there in the corner. Hopefully you guys can see that, but no tools are really required for this, but if you have any needle nose pliers you can go ahead and do that. But let's go ahead and get this thing taken off and show you how it's done. So basically I'm going to be under the car right here popping out the clips, and I'll show you exactly what the clips look like whenever I am out. So here we go. Let's go ahead and dive down into what you have to do after that. Okay, so now that we got the light out, let's go ahead and figure out which one is which first. So this is the right here. We need the left one since we did the left one first. So I'm going to pop out these guys right here. Bulb. Put this guy in here. This guy comes out here. This fits snug right in here. So let's go ahead and test it first and see if it works. Okay, now that we see that it works, well, I checked and see that it works, I'm gonna go ahead and pop this bad boy right here, and you're gonna twist it back counterclockwise like that, and then you're going to go ahead and slide it back in with this part facing in the little tab, and then this part's going to snap right back on just like how we took it off. So all in all, that's basically how you do it. It's the same thing on the other side, just make sure the polarity on it is the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you some before where one side is actually done, the other side isn't done because my camera's about to die. So let's go and yeah, look at the finishing product later on tonight and I'll show you. So if you guys haven't seen or don't know already, please like, subscribe, go check out S550 Parts for more parts like this, and peace out guys.